Welcome back, and today we got a little food review for you. It's from this company, Rex Bar or RX Bar, and it's these like little, what is it, not cakes, but little brownies or little health bars. And I like the, they have like eight, I've seen like 8 to 10 different flavors, but I've only tried this one, so I can only vouch for this one. So if this company wants to send me some other ones to review, I'd like to check that out. But here we go. So I like this brand, or I like their philosophy on this no BS crap. So they they claim, this company claims that all that's in these is 3 egg whites, 6 almonds, 4 cashews, 2 dates, and no BS. Because like I I try to avoid a lot of food products that I can't, like when I read the ingredients and I can't even pronounce what half those ingredients are, and I don't know what they are. So I, like I said, I was attracted to this because of how simple, the simplicity of this brand. And this flavor is the chocolate sea salt. And from what I've seen from the other ones, they have like the same ingredients, like the egg whites and almonds and cashews, but the flavor will be different. So I'll have to try the other ones. So here's a box of them. I unopened. I just bought this not too long ago. So I have a little, what's it in a box? 12. And each serving is, where the weight is 1.83 ounces. And let's see, I do like the fact that it has 12 grams of protein. Even though this is a little more expensive than, say, like a candy bar. Candy bar has, I wouldn't even call it nutritional value. Maybe like a Snickers because it has some peanuts. But other than that, it's got almost zero nutritional value. But at least this may cost a little bit more, but at least you're getting some nutrition out of it. So we'll open it up. There's what it looks like. So you can see the sea salt, the almonds, and it has, almonds and cashews, and 2 dates. Dates is like a fruit, so we'll give it a bite. I guess I've had this before. It's very dense and compact, I'll say that. So just make sure you have some water. And I do like the sea salt in it. Not too much. It doesn't have It's not like overly salty, but it has just enough sea salt grains to give it a little flavor. And it's, like I say, it's very thick. So just be sure you have some water to help flush it down. So I like I said, I like this product, and that's why I bought I bought a couple of these boxes. And there you have it. The Rex bar or RX bar chocolate sea salt. And until next time, have a great day.